Very good morning, all the students of fourth standard. We are learning history's lesson, that is the oath of Swaraj. This lesson we are learning lesson number 6. It is the oath of Swaraj. So in this lesson we have studied about Shivaji's preparation, how Shivaji Maharaj took the oath of Swaraj. This one we have studied, and along with that his preparations, those who were comrade with him, their about them we have studied their names, how he inspired to others, how he motivated to others, Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, how they joined him. This also we have studied in the same lesson. And when he returned from the temples, Raireshwar temples, where he took the oath, after returning the Raireshwar temple, from the Raireshwar temple, what he discussed or what he spoke to his mother, this one also we have studied. How he started to be prepare himself by doing the detailed survey of Pune region or the Sahyadri mountain regions in the, or adjacent area of the Pune, that we have studied there. Secret path, hiding places, along with that which places are best to be for a war, by which route we can be move fastly, which is the shortest route, which is the farthest route, secret paths, along with that important forts, position of the fort, those were the soldiers appointed on that fort, their informations, ammunitions informations, sailors informations. All these very soon Shivaji Maharaj start to get all the informations. Very soon he start to get from his friends there, and those were the friends in the Mawar regions. They also helped to Shivaji Maharaj for the welfare of the Swaraj. They began to look upon Shivaji as their ideal ruler. Now today we will see about the next point, that is Shivaji's royal seal. This one point we will see. This is the last point of the same lesson. The Jahagir was already being administered in the name of Shivaji Maharaj. The Jahagir, Shivaji Maharaj, whatever the Jahagir is there, that Jahagir was administered, already being administered in the name of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal for Shivaji. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, he had casted, minted, prepared a special royal seal for the Shivaji Maharaj. It reads that Pratip Chandra Lekhve Vardi Vishnu Vishwa Vandita Shahasuno Shivashesha Mudra Bhadra Bhadraya Rajate. Like you can see, words are there inscribed or carved on that royal scene. Pratip Chandra Lekhave Vardi Vishnu Vishwavandita Shahasuno Shivashesha Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. So the meaning of this is given here in English. This seal will grow in splendor like the moon, new moon. How the new moon from the small to the big will become big, like same way the empire of the Shivaji Maharaj or the kingdom of the Shivaji Maharaj, this kingdom is also start to be increase like a moon day by day, like how the new moon's position is changing their shape, like same way Shivaji Maharaj's kingdom. So it start to be prosperous, flourish. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, this seal is of the Shivaji Maharaj. Now who is Shivaji Maharaj? Son of Shahaji Raje. Shivaji was the son of Shahaji Raje, receiving the homage from the whole world, denote the welfare of the people. He received the homage, he received the respect from whole world. He get the respect from all the peoples. This seal in a way foretold the foundation of the Swaraj. So this is a foundation base of the Swaraj. In those days, most of the royal seals were carved in the Persian languages. In those days, in the 17th century, most of the royal seals were carved into the Persian language, but the Shivaji was in Sanskrit, but the seal of the Shivaji was in the Sanskrit language. This is important feature that in those days, most of the royal seals were carved into the Persian languages, but whatever the royal seal was carved for Shivaji Maharaj, that royal seal was carved into the Persian language. Especially important, it is carved into the Persian language. This was a significant change. There could be no Swaraj without your own language. Important significant change it is, and there could be no Swaraj without our own language. If you are trying to set up your own independence kingdom, then your seal should be in your own mother tongue, your own language, not in others' language. In our language, we can express our feelings in a proper way, better way in comparison of other language. There could be no Swaraj without your own language and your own religions. Swaraj means our own language, our own religion. But at the same time, there should not be a hatred for other religions. Along with that, we should remember that we should not hate to other religion. Other religions should be respected, treated as equal as our religions. The seal was guaranteed to all the Mavalas that this seal, the seal of the Shivaji Maharaj, the son of Shahji Raje, this seal was guaranteed to all the Mavalas, to all the people, those who live in the Maharashtra regions, those who were accompanied with the Shivaji Maharaj. For them it is guaranteed that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people, for the people. The government of the Shivaji Maharaj, whatever the government Shivaji Maharaj trying to establish, that government was for the welfare of the people. He always looked after for the welfare of the people. Like you see, they felt that. They were quick to grasp this point, and they did not take more time to understand this. Quickly they grasped, quickly they understood, they got this one, and they supported to Shivaji Maharaj in the work of Swaraj. Like in this way, we have completed our lesson. You read out this lesson very soon. We are going to conduct the unit test exams, and for the unit test, first lesson is there, so you should be ready. You should be prepared. This first lesson, okay? Till at that time, you just study, revise the first lesson, and read out the recent lesson what I taught to you. Okay? Thank you very much.